Hey there guys, ever wanted to download a YouTube video onto your phone or PC but didn't know how? Then you came to YouTube to find out how, and all they've done is just scam you left, right and center. Well, today I'm about to show you the easiest and fastest way to do it. No complicated software, no sketchy downloads, no scams, just a simple trick that works like magic. First, find the YouTube video that you want to download. Once you're on the page, look up at the URL bar, which is that thing at the top of the browser where all the internet magic happens. Now here's the trick. Place your cursor between the E and the dot in youtube.com like this. Type the letter P twice so it says PP and then hit enter. You'll be teleported here where the real fun begins. Now that you're here, here's what to do. Choose your preferred video quality right here, and once you're done, click convert and give it a few seconds. A download button will pop up, so click it and bam, the video is now yours. Now the problem is that this website loves ads, like really loves them. You might feel like you're walking through an ad jungle. So here's the fix. Get an ad blocker. Go to Google and type AdBlock Plus extension, click the first link and make sure you're getting the one with over 43 million users and has a featured label on it, because that means that it's actually good. If you aren't on this one right here, you can always look for it again up here by searching for AdBlocker Plus and pressing enter. Select this one right here or even this one, because I've used both of them and I can say that they're both really good in my opinion. Once you've selected it and you're here, proceed to click on Add to Chrome and install it. Once installed, make sure to pin it so you can easily manage it. Once you have an ad blocker installed, it will be able to catch most of the ads that you see. Sometimes it doesn't catch all of them, but it's always great to have it because some of these websites have way too many ads. If for some reason this trick isn't working in your country, don't panic. Just use a VPN to bypass restrictions. I recommend Syphon because it's free and works like a charm. To use Syphon, just type Syphon on Google and hit enter when it loads. Click on the first link that you see, and once you're here, go over to the top right where it says Get Syphon and click on it. Once installed, you'll be able to select a server region down here. Play around with them to see which one works best for you. And that's it folks. You now know how to download YouTube videos like a pro. If this was helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome hacks. Oh, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Happy downloading, and I'll see you in the next one.